In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product ad in Leonardo AI Mobile. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate. This is where you'll create your product ad image and adjust the settings to match the style and format you need. Next, tap on the Model section, then select Image and choose the model you want to use. This step matters because different models can produce slightly different visual styles, so pick one that best fits the kind of product ad you want to create. After that, tap the settings icon to begin customizing your generation. Here you'll choose the image quality, the dimensions, and the number of generations. Quality affects how polished and detailed the final image looks, while the number of generations gives you multiple variations to choose from, which is helpful if you want options without having to start over. When selecting dimensions, make sure they match where the ad will be used. For Instagram or Facebook feed ads, choose a 1x1 square format. For stories, reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts ads, use 9x16 vertical. And for website banners or YouTube ads, go with 16x9 widescreen. Choosing the right size from the beginning saves time and helps your design fit the platform properly. Now move to the text input box and write a clear prompt describing your product. Include the product type, its texture, the studio lighting setup, and the surrounding environment. The more specific your description is, the more accurate and professional the generated ad will look. Once everything is ready, tap Generate and let Leonardo AI create your options. When the images appear, review the results and choose your favorite design. Then simply download it to your mobile device gallery so it's ready to use in your ad campaign.